Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. You watched the YouTube video on how to replace your cabin air filter. You went to the parts store, you got your very own cabin air filter, and now you're going to replace it yourself. Stop! Before you do it, watch this video. You might thank me later. Okay everyone, so you got your cabin air filter, and if you don't know if it's been replaced in a while or at all, I'm going to show you a little trick here. Now what I've done with this one is I got the new cabin air filter ready to put in. It's right here. And so what has happened to me in the past, you pull this filter out, the old filter out, and some of them get so overwhelmed with leaves and junk. What happens is they fall out. When you pull the filter out, they fall down into the blower housing, and oftentimes you end up with a noise in your dash afterwards. The debris, acorns, whatever might fall down in there and cause a horrible vibration. And most times you can get all the stuff out with your fingers, but it's pretty difficult. But there's sometimes so much of it falls down in there, you got to actually pull the blower motor out to get it out. So what I've done here is I've taken half of the box, the cabin air filter came in, and I cut it off and I put it underneath the dirty cabin air filter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out. You can see all the stuff on this cabin filter. See how dirty that is? But now see the stuff that would have fallen into the blower housing is on this little piece of box I cut off. And see that? You pull it out just nice, and all that stuff comes right out, and it doesn't go into the blower. How about that? Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. I hope this video has helped you, and have a good night.